Good morning, you guys. I am starting to feel a lot better. I still have a bit of a cough and a low fever, so I will not be in today. I should be back tomorrow, assuming that I don't have a fever anymore. So please be nice to Miss Cruz. She's working hard to help you. She's being very kind. Today for algebra, you have two jobs. Pretty simple. You're going to do your warm-up. You're going to do your warm-up, and then you're going to create some videos. The videos you're going to create are, you're going to solve two questions, just two. The first one is, you're going to create a video that walks through the step-by-step process of how to create the quadratic regression from your tennis ball lab. Now, basically, I just want a video where you walk me through every single step of, here's how we got our data. Here's how we put it in the calculator. Here's how from the calculator we put it in the graph. And here's how we got all of our important steps. So you're going to be doing that. You're probably going to need to work with a friend. So you each need to do your own videos, but it's okay to help each other by maybe holding the phone so that they can walk you through it, so that you can record what you're doing. And then you need to record one other video, or it can be in the same video, that's fine, where you're going to walk through how to solve a quadratic equation that you have to factor. So those factoring ones, you get to pick whatever question you want from your assignment on CUDA. So you get to pick the question from CUDA. You can pick a really hard one, you can pick an easy one, doesn't matter. And that is going to be a test grade. So putting the videos together is a test grade. And if you do poorly on it, right, if you're not sure how to do it, it's a good time to talk to your classmates, talk to your teammates, make sure you break it down and you understand the process, and then you can walk through how to do it. It's also okay to pause your video if you need to refresh or be able to explain something. What I'm looking for here is, yes, you know how to put it in the calculator. Yes, you know how to use the equation in a graph. Yes, you can use the graph to find the key information. You can take that key information and you know what it means in real life. But I'm also looking that you can take an equation and break it down into its factored form, and that you could check that either using a calculator or you could show how to multiply it out by hand. Whatever way is better for you is fine. Just make sure that it's clear that you understand what's going on. That's your only job today, guys.